Alright, what's up YouTube? Biz Matthew here once again with another video for you all. And in today's video, we'll be discussing how to find winning products, trendy, popular, best-selling item products on AliExpress, and and how to contact suppliers. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. So I'm actually in AliExpress right now, and I'll just be showing an exact tutorial on how to find these products. Now, going into AliExpress can be a little daunting, a little intimidating, but I'm just here to show you all it's pretty easy to find even general products. So the first thing we're going to do is when you're searching and you're starting your first dropshipping store, I always recommend going general store and having different niches within that store. Once you find a winning product, go with that niche that's doing really well. So to start with, you'll just start with a general product, right? Like a product like bracelets. So if you just type in bracelets, 2 million results. That can be a little daunting for some. All right. So as we can see, there's bracelets upon bracelets upon bracelets upon bracelets here, right? What I like to do, I always like to sort it by orders just to see what are the best selling items, right? What's trending. Okay, so obviously this bracelet has over 18,000 orders. It's probably from a drop shipper that does probably some leather goods or just a bracelet shop. All right. So these are extremely popular. And so what I like to do is I like to go to the other pages, because to me, if there are over like 5,000 orders already, they're already played out, right? And so I really like to just go down and go to like the 7th page. Like as you can see, I'm just going to click the 7th page. All right. And so I'm going to see how many orders. So we're around 1,400, so which is not bad. And then I start to look at the bracelets, because these may not be selling as much. Now, as you can see, we have some bracelets right here. Some type of nice, bracelets that you can target yoga people or spirituality things. What else? What else? Niche specific. Okay, this has a dumbbell. I know that's very popular. A nice simple bracelet that says love right here. Okay, so right now I'm trying to find bracelets that are not general, that are very niche specific, right? Something that I could target someone on Facebook or on Instagram. All right, in the sports niche, you can do something like that. Gothic look over there. All right. So these are really nice bracelets. They're very cheap. My goodness. Okay. So on the 11th page, let's see how many orders are doing. So I like to choose a product that's doing between like 700 or even 1,500 orders. So it's not yet like totally sold out. Like it's not like everywhere so far, and so it still will sell. It's not like 20,000 orders where, okay, people already saw all of them. All right. And so what I like to do is find something niche specific, right? Let's just choose, okay, let me see. What in the world? Beauty magnet? Health bracelets for women? Oh, here's a perfect one right here. Buddha for you guys. All right, so this bracelet, it's a really good bracelet to target, people who are into yoga or into like meditation or whatnot. And so, it's very niche specific. They have, pretty decent photos that you can target people, especially when they have jewelry and someone's wearing it, you can just use these photos to for your Instagram or Facebook marketing. So what I like to do first is go over here where it says orders and click orders to see if someone's drop shipping. And right now it doesn't look like a lot of people are drop shipping. which is kind of surprising. So people are probably just buying it directly from AliExpress. Because usually if someone is drop shipping, you'll see like the same letter all across this line. So something like this, bam, bam, bam. So this person is probably drop shipping the A, you know. All right, so that's how I find my winning products. Basically, I look up a general item, and then from there I sort it by orders. I find orders that are between the 700 1500 order range that they usually do well because they're not yet saturated, but they're still popular and trendy that you can sell them. And then from there, I click on the orders to see if someone's drop shipping. And if it's like 1 or 2 people, that's fine. And then from there, I start marketing it and seeing if they will sell. And then in this video, I'm also going to, well, you know, I'm going to save that for another video on how to contact your sellers and get different discounted pricing. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. All right, thank you.